Got it?
Got it.
All right, so what you got? What you got for us? What you got?
I have monster truck.
You got monster truck?
Yeah.
Okay, which one yours? Let me see.
Mine.
Let me see. Show me. That one yours? I can't see.
That's mine.
I can't see. Pull it out and see. Get it out. There you go. Take it out. And let me see. Turn it around. Let me see it. That's the one you wanted?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see. Let me see Daddy's.
It's mine.
Let me show Daddy's.
Bro.
Let me see. I can't see. That's Daddy's right there. Mine look cooler.
Mine is cooler.
Come on, let's go.
My truck is big.
Come on. Who you think he is, Jack? Look my boy Dick. Hey, keep your eyes on the road, man. You worrying about the wrong thing. Yeah, man. Keep your eyes on the road. Just told you that. Keep your eyes on the road. I just told you that. You can't push a basket. Yeah, man. Leadership. Man, seeing. You know, I just want to come up here and get it, you know what I'm saying? I might do a little racing on them today, man. We might do a little racing. Come on. Come on. Yeah, man, we might do a little race. Come on. We can go right here. We can go right here. We're gonna go right here, Dada. We'll go right here. I'll let y'all, man, BT.